Just the pressure is gonna start.
What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. In today's episode, we're going to be doing some floor epoxy into our garage floor. We already went ahead and started the process of cleaning the floors, doing the etching primer, and from there, we're going to go ahead and start doing the paint. Right now, we're going to make sure the floors are all dry. I do have a bunch of heaters here. Shout out to Wifey for hooking up with the pressure washer. Hey, Ryan, will you sponsor us, please? I'd like to see more pools. Wifey, hooking it up. And this is the broom that we used. Scrub everything. There you go. Let everything dry. Then we'll come back and then begin all the painting of this whole process. Real quick though. Zam, mommy. Zam, mommy. Zam. Oh, okay. So it's already been a couple hours. We went ahead and taped the edges so I won't get any paint on those. The floors are still a little bit moist. You can see that star there. Boom, really wet. Super wet. We're just gonna let it continue to dry and we'll come back again tomorrow. Boom. All right, it's been about 2 days now. The concrete does look pretty dry. We're gonna go ahead and do one more sweep and then begin the painting process. Let's get to it, guys. Alright, going through the instructions, there is an induction time where after we do mix part A and part B together, we have to wait for a certain amount of time. Temperature right now is 75. So now we have to wait about 10 minutes. So this is our kit. It comes with little blue sparkles, or specks, whatever you want to call it. So this is the actual epoxy. There's two parts, part A, part B. All you gotta do is just smush this and then they start mixing. It says to mix part A and part B do it for 2 to 3 minutes, squeezing the edges and blah blah blah. Got my extendo pole. Got a little kit, comes with everything. We use that in the beginning to get the corners. I'm gonna hit these two with a little bit of painter's tape, make sure we get rid of all that extra linty lint. This trash can is gonna hold our combination mixture thing. Then yeah, let me set this up and then we'll get that ready. Then we'll start painting and glittering. Now I have to set the timer now from here to 10 minutes. Let's put this back in here just for now. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we can brush for 5 minutes. Then we can go ahead and start rolling after that. All right, now we got all the edges all covered up. Looking pretty good. We're gonna move to the roller, begin the whole process. Let's go, guys. painted. Bunch of glitter everywhere. Roller. On the final step, you actually have a little bit left. Good job, I wasn't the last one. But yeah, shout out to Babe for helping out. Really big help. Sparkling, sprinkling everything. It looks sprinkling, everything looks pretty even. Now, it says it's secure 3 days for cars, so we're just gonna give it a full 3 days to let it dry, then we'll see you guys after then. It's a little bit out right there, it's all good. When it dries, it'll be even. How the heck are we gonna get inside now?
Trail of trash bags.
Okay, let's do it.
Wait, you can wrap your feet in plastic bags.
Okay, sounds like a plan. That's what this is gonna work. Yeah. Feels like I used to do this like back in the day when I was like in elementary. There you go. Check out the new Yeezys, bruh.
Those for your foot.
Do what you gotta do. Lift will take. There you go. We are protecting our floors. I don't care. I don't care how silly this looks. Function over form. Thanks, baby. Alright, now I can come in after you. Grab the new Yeezys, fam. Ooh, let's check out the new floor though. Thanks, babe. Big help. High five. Now your hand has paint. Woo!
Ah!
Alright, guys. It's been. Oh, wait. Ooh. Alright, guys. It's been about 2 days now. On the directions it says you do light footsteps. I'm going to slowly start moving everything into the garage and yeah, just do a quick check on everything and see how it looks. It just came out fine. So happy with everything how it came out. Even painted the step a little bit. Missed a little bit right there, it's fine. It's all good. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. That's fine. Takeaways I'd say is, for sure, just my biggest tips when epoxying your garage, for sure, is the prep. Make sure you do your prep just right. Take your time, research, read the article, read the directions, and yeah, have fun with it. Take your time. We took our time with the garage floor epoxy, and it came out magnificent. I'm really happy with the results. So we're gonna go ahead and start bringing all the things in really slowly. And then Saturday is when we'll bring the car in. Boom, garage is done. Floor looks A1, pretty solid. Even got the Z in here, looking really clean. Look at that. I'm so happy with the results. All right guys, so that's how you go and do a floor epoxy on your garage. Super satisfied with the results, looks really clean. All it is just a lot of prep work, but at the end of the day, prep work is where it's at and your result's gonna show for itself. Yeah, we're gonna get to work and wrap it up. Couple more projects we're gonna do with the garage, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, super happy with it. So thank you Rust-Oleum for a really easy product to use. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.